Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add credit card in Rocket Money. If you want to add a credit card to Rocket Money, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you in very simple terms. First, open Rocket Money app on your iPhone and log into your account. Once you are in the home screen, look for the menu option or profile icon at the top of your screen and tap it. From there, tap add account or link account. Now Rocket Money will ask you what type of account you want to add. Choose credit card. Next you will see a list of bank and credit card companies. Scroll or search for your credit card provider like Visa, MasterCard or a specific bank. Tap on it. After that, enter the login information you normally use for a credit card website or app. Once you are connected, Rocket Money will automatically pull in your credit card balance, recent charge and due dates. If your credit card doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and pull down on the screen to refresh. If the Rocket Money has trouble connecting, don't panic. Sometimes you may need to verify your account or reconnect later. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.